Weeks ain't supposed to be cold in June. The summer flings ain't meant to make it to September in a quick stop town. When you find something you ain't supposed to do, the desire and the want to tend to linger and hang around and around like bonfire smoke on your Levi jeans. Wash it how you want, it ain't never coming clean.